Hey, it is Jen Ed and I am back. I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method. I am a health coach, 20 years, mother to 3, almost 49 this year. A blood type, Sagittarian. For those who've been following me a while, I don't think I ever mentioned that. And I want to thank you for being here with me today. And I always say, if you have not been following me for a while and you have not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it and be so appreciative if you subscribe to my channel, add to my beautiful community, and then we can stay in touch. Okay. You are going to love what I talk about today because so many, pretty much everyone, of the busy female professionals who come knock on my door asking to learn more about this 5-step sugar freedom method that I've been teaching, for about 20 years. They always say, Jen, dear God, can you please make my cravings go away? And specifically, this 2 to 4 o'clock window, right? Something goes on after lunch, before dinner, and we get tired, slumpy, brain foggy, and we gotta eat something, yes? It's usually a Starbucks. I have a current client who loves her fountain soda, and amazing to say, she has not had it in 1 month because we are tweaking things that I'm gonna talk to you about today. But what's really important to know is cravings are an imbalance in the body, okay? Cravings are an imbalance. And when we eat sugary things, drink stuff, eat processed foods, instead of fixing the imbalance, it just makes the imbalance worse, and we crave more. Typically then after dinner, we're tired, we wake up achy, and we literally just repeat the same cycle. So the thing about 3 p.m. cravings is they don't arise at 3 p.m., okay? There's many, many factors, but 2 of the most important are our breakfast. Our breakfast needs to be a high protein breakfast. And I usually say, within 1 or 2 hours of waking. So high protein, 1 or 2 hours. Well, why, Jen? Well, because protein stabilizes our blood sugar levels. And when our blood sugar is swinging all day long from skipping a lunch, from running out, cup of coffee, milk and cream, milk and sugar, and we haven't put anything sustainable into our system, well, our body is out of balance by 3 o'clock, and we're going to have cravings for junk food to try and restabilize us, which, by the way, does not restabilize at 3 o'clock, because typically what we're not eating is a meal, right? We're having chips, potato chips, some M&Ms at work, a donut. I've seen it all, a scone. I'm just going to have a latte, right? And so what we're doing is we're spiking our blood sugar levels, which is causing hormone imbalances and all this other stuff. And for what the purposes of today is, it's causing you to have those same cravings again tomorrow. So number 1, I want you to please, 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 please have a high protein breakfast. Number 2, very, 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 very important. We typically start to get tired from running around, right? And doing our jobs and being as successful as we are for a reason. And if we're moms, also add that hat. And if we're bosses, add that hat, yes? And if we're vice presidents, and a lot of women come see us, have high profile positions, right? Add that stress and that hat. And the truth is we're typically actually tired by around 3 o'clock. And rather than rest and just close our eyes for a few minutes, if you're driving and you have a lot of appointments, just literally taking 5 minutes, shut your eyes, take a deep breath, and reset. If we do not do that, we're going to try and use stimulants to reset us. So I would love to support you around A, breakfast, high protein, and B, taking some sort of break leading up to this 3 o'clock crash and allowing the body to reset, because there's no way in heck, right? We're gonna get through dinner, and if we have meetings after dinner, and then sometimes we're doing work, there's no way we're gonna get through the night without having more cravings. And so when I tell my clients just those 2 things alone, oh my gosh, cravings will change. So try them. Always feel free to come back and tell me how it went, because I know it'll work. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it. Please do that. And as always, I'll be back in touch soon.